everyone, how's it going? My name is Monika and welcome to Comicat Creations. I love to post step-by-step sewing tutorials as well as other sewing and fashion related videos here on my channel. So if you're new, I would love to have you subscribe and stay a while. And if you're already a subscriber, welcome back and thanks so much for tuning back in. So in today's video, I am so excited because Finch Fabrics actually sent me a box of fabrics to use on my channel. And so I thought it'd be fun, since I just got the package, to open it on camera and show y'all what's in this big old box. I haven't looked inside it yet myself either, so I'm just so excited to see what's there. And thank you so much to Finch Fabrics for sending this to me. That is so generous of y'all. And for those of you who aren't familiar with Finch, they are like one of my favorite fabric stores. I love shopping from them. They have such a great selection and their prices are really good too. So yeah, I'd highly recommend them, and they actually have a sale going on right now through the end of the month too. That's really great for their anniversary. So I'll leave all the information and links for that down in the description box if you are looking to get some new fabric yourself. And they actually also let me know that anybody who mentions that they're subscribed to my channel, when they check out, they would send a free gift to as well. So I thought that was so cool and I wanted to share that with y'all too. So anyway, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the unboxing. All right. Ooh. So this is the first fabric I just pulled out, and this is so pretty. I love this print so much. It's a really cool, really striking looking black and white print, and this is a stretch fabric, so it's gonna be so comfortable to wear. I love sewing with knits. If you've watched my channel for a while, you've probably noticed that as well. I just love knit fabric so much. And yeah, this is just perfect. Oh, I love it so much. And this actually makes me kind of excited to make something for the fall and winter. I haven't been looking forward to sewing for the fall and winter at all. First of all, it's still super hot out in North Carolina, which I love because I love the warm. And second of all, I just love summer so much, so I haven't been looking forward to the cold weather. But this black and white print, I think it's gonna make something really cool looking for the winter. Like maybe a turtleneck or something that I could tuck into a black skater skirt and wear with tights and boots or something like that. Who knows, I know I'll change my mind 100 times because I always get so many ideas when I see fabrics, but this is just actually making me kind of excited to make something for the colder weather. All right, what's next? So this is the second fabric that they sent. This is another stretch knit fabric, which is just so soft, and I know it's gonna be so comfortable to wear. I really like this zigzag print, and again, I think this is gonna be so nice for the fall and winter, given the black and white theme. I just think it's gonna look really chic, and I cannot wait to start sewing with this too. And make sure to stay tuned because I will definitely be making tutorials with all these fabrics on my channel throughout the next few months, so yeah, make sure to stay tuned to see what these turn into. Oh my gosh, this is so exciting. Dang, there's still more. Oh, this is awesome looking. Y'all, check out the color on this one. This is such a vibrant print. I love these colors. This is such a cool fabric. I don't think I've ever seen anything like this. It's so unique. And this is a non-stretch fabric, so this is gonna make something just so nice and flowy. I love making like flowy tops and kimonos and things like that with non-stretch fabric. I think they're really comfortable to wear and just really cool looking. So this is super cool. I love this print so much, and I, again, cannot wait to start sewing with this. Ooh, another really beautiful, colorful one. The final fabric they sent is this absolutely stunning print here. These colors are like pop out at you, just beautiful. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed with all these. This one is another stretch knit fabric, and this one feels almost like maybe a swim fabric or something. Actually, yeah, it does say on the list it's a performance and swim knit, so this is gonna sew so nice. Oh my gosh, and it feels so comfortable and cool. Oh, I'm so excited about this. This is definitely, all these fabrics are like completely up my alley. They're perfect for me. I love prints, I love colors, I love knit, I love making flowy things with woven. So this is really exciting, and gosh, this is such a vibrant, pretty pattern as well. Thank you so much, LA Finch Fabrics, for sending these to me. Oh my gosh, they are so pretty. I'm so excited. It literally feels like Christmas right now. I'd really recommend LA Finch to anybody who is looking to get good quality fabrics at a good price. Everything I've bought from them has always been high quality, and the stuff they sent to me is not a disappointment either. I love shopping from them, and I'll link a few other fabric hauls I've done down in the description box where I've bought fabric from them if you want to see anything else. But yeah, highly recommend them, and I am just so grateful to have gotten some fabric to try out for my channel. So I can't wait to start sewing with these, and again, make sure to stay tuned because I will definitely be featuring these in videos in the future. I hope y'all have a fantastic day, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in a video soon. Bye everybody!